Let's set the record straight immediately. Those widely shared videos of a massive octopus in the Gulf of Mexico are fabricated. These clips are either artificially generated or deeply manipulated fakes, crafted to appear believable by incorporating aspects of actual deep-sea research. It is true that the Gulf houses real octopus varieties and even sizable squid, but nothing even approaching the city bus-sized leviathan currently spreading across TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. Most of these videos employ sensational titles like Drone Film's Largest Octopus Ever, Seen or Eclipse Octopus Connected to Moon Cycles. Initially, they might seem striking, but upon closer inspection, the flaws become apparent. The creature often rests on the water's surface in an unnatural way. The tentacles show no reaction to waves or water movement, and actual science makes the deception clearer. The Gulf of Mexico has been the site of genuine deep-sea finds, including verified sightings of giant squid. Even those creatures, which rank among the biggest invertebrates on the planet, reach a maximum length of about 15 to 20 feet. A hypothetical octopus exceeding 100 feet long, living near the surface, would confront insurmountable biological problems, from its oxygen requirements to its need for food. This follows a recurring trend. Comparable videos of giant or white octopuses have gone viral in the past and were subsequently exposed as AI-generated art or repurposed video with false descriptions. The conclusion is straightforward. The ocean is plenty fascinating on its own. The alleged giant octopus in the Gulf of Mexico is not a new scientific find. It's a digital creation, engineered for online engagement, not for factual discovery.